Hello, Gemini, Sun, Moon, and Rising. So, ito ang iyong astrology reading, pag-usapan natin yung full moon na magaganap ngayong July 21, 2024. At ito ay nangyayari sa Capricorn. Kasama or katabi itong Pluto. May conjunction with Pluto na yung moon kasi na ito, itong full moon na ito, yung placement niya is nasa 29 degree. Ito ay kung tawagin ay anaretic degree. So, maaaring may mga dapat tapusin, no? Or mga wala kang choice kundi dapat tapusin. Parang ganun. Parang hindi, kumbaga parang ito, mga parang palo sa'yo to, no? Na parang, katapusin mo yan, yan, ganyan. Parang tinutulak ka nitong full moon na ito, especially na ito ay nasa iyong 8th house, maybe has something to do with shared finances or inheritance or mga tax or loans, no? Property, no? Or maybe your goals na dapat mong tapusin. Or maybe may kinalaman din sa resources ng iyong partner or yung kanyang ari-arian, property, money. Ayan. And partnership, sa anumang aspeto ng partnership. Yan. Career, project partners, mga ganun. So, may mga bagay na kailangan tapusin dyan. During this full moon, ito sinasabihan ganito na kailangan i-balance mo din yung mga bagay na magbibigay sa iyo ng comfort and security. Now, during this time, maaaring yung attention mo ay nandun din sa pangangailangan or mga comfort na kailangan gawin with regards to the needs and the comfort din ng mga taong importante sa'yo. And if you have mga utang, lahat ng may kinalaman sa financial during this full moon, mas maganda kung ikaw na ito na magkukusa na tapusin or ayusin itong mga bagay na ito. No, kasi pwedeng mailagay ka sa posisyon wherein pepwersahin ka na gumawa ng isang hakbang or pwedeng magkaroon ng problem or may kinalaman sa pera, no? Especially nandito sa Mars and Uranus nandito sa iyong 12th house. Okay? So, itong Mars and Uranus na ito, Mars is about bravery, action. And yung Uranus naman is about change. So, baguhin or tapusin kung ano yung mga dapat tapusin, baguhin yung mga dapat baguhin. And, this is also the house of karma. Siyempre, kung ikaw ay may inutang na hindi mo nasisettle, at during this time na full moon, pwedeng ikaw din ay masingil or makarma, no? So, if you are, alam mo naman na kumbaga wala ka namang utang or hindi ka naman nakaka-relate sa mga sinasabi ko, this could also mean other thing para sa'yo. And maybe it has something to do with your sex. No? Dahil 8th house, may kinalaman din ito sa sex. And because your moon is in your 8th house, some of you, pwedeng it has something to do with your sexuality. Maybe yung iba magbabago ng sexualidad. And then maybe pagbabago ng, put an end into your mga bagay na binibigyan mo ng limitasyon. So maybe, or mga taong nagbibigay sa'yo ng limitasyon. So this is maybe the time na tatapusin mo na yan, no? I want to get out of my comfort zone. So this is the time na pwedeng gawain mo yan, yung mga bagay na yan. And also, especially you do have your sun in your second house. So yung second house has something to do with money, possession, value, skills, and also work. Ayan, nandiyan yan sa second house. Your habits, and maybe yung iba sa inyo hindi mo mailabas ang iyong sa loobin or kung ano yung totoong ikaw, maybe because of work. And medyo this full moon is like pwedeng dahil nagkakaroon ng opposition, ano? Ayan, the sun and the moon is having opposition, so tug of war. So, ayan, hindi mo alam kung ipupursige mo ba or ipupush mo yung bagay na gusto mo talaga dahil maybe isa ito sa nagbibigay ng limitasyon sa'yo. Now, with the Mars and Uranus, ayan, na nagkakaroon naman ng sextile, which is sextile is supportive energy, opportunity. So, if ever na magiging totoo ka sa iyong sarili, there's other opportunities na nakikita natin na magbubukas para sa'yo. And I can see na this one is magiging mas helpful para sa'yo. Nagkaroon man ng delay, but during this full moon, magbubukas lahat ito sa'yo. Now, especially that you do have your Jupiter in your first house. Ayan. And Jupiter is about expansion, growth. Ayan. So, pwedeng magkaroon ng growth or expansion, luck. So, ayan, yung swerte. Nasa sayo yan with the Jupiter in your first house. Kailangan mo lang tapangan. Kailangan mo lang i-end yung mga bagay na dapat i-end. No? And some of you, may mga biglaang pwedeng ma-receive na, I don't know, I can see inheritance for some of you. Or maybe regarding spirituality. Anyway, good luck to you, Gemini. Thank you. And hopefully nagustuhan mo yung ganitong klaseng reading. If you do like this kind of reading, please do subscribe and pa-comment na lang dyan sa baba. Ma-appreciate ko yung comment, yung like. At if you want to follow me on TikTok, Unipri, ayan, feel free to do so. Help our channel grow. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.